Hi, my name is Dr. Matthew Hall. I'm a board-certified general surgeon and the New York City area director for Christian Medical and Dental Association. We're here in New York City, the heart of COVID-19 epidemic in the United States, and we are in Central Park to interview Dr. Lance Plyler. Dr. Plyler is the director of World Medical Mission, the medical department of Samaritan's Purse. Dr. Plyler, let's do an elbow bump.
Hey, Matthew. Good to be with you today.
So thank you. First, I want to thank you for serving and saving the lives of New Yorkers here. And we really are so appreciative of the work that you and your organization, Samaritan Purse, is doing here. Dr. Plyler, would you tell us about the Samaritan Purse's work here in New York City?
Absolutely. Matthew, first of all, we just want to, on behalf of our organization, Samaritan's Purse, we're so appreciative to the city, to yourself, CMDA, just the warm welcome we've received here to be able to respond. Our efforts are, of course, just to work with the people of New York City, the healthcare system here, in particular Mount Sinai. We're just here in Central Park. It's a bit surreal, but we've really just set up shop. We've established, as you can see, a 14-tent field hospital to work in conjunction with Mount Sinai to help fight this, raging disease that's really had such a significant and devastating impact on the people of New York.
Yeah. Dr. Plyler, I understand that your team members here are called DART. Mm-hmm. Could you tell us about DART?
Yeah, absolutely. So that's a division, Matthew, within Samaritan's Purse. It's our Disaster Assistance Response Team, or DART, as you mentioned. And yeah, it's really, that's the department within Samaritan's Purse that really enables us to respond to whatever the given disaster is around the world.
Yeah. So, Dr. Plyler, how many doctors and nurses and support staff do you have on your team, and how many volunteers do you need for the operation of this field hospital?
Well, you can imagine, Matthew, we certainly need a lot of healthcare professionals and support staff. So right now we have over 100 persons on the ground here in Central Park that's supporting this field hospital behind me. We're working again in collaboration with the Mount Sinai medical system, and there's certainly many patients that still need our care. A lot of the healthcare professionals in New York, as you said, they've been battling this for weeks on end now. They're tired, and they need our assistance, and so they've really made an appeal to us, and we would like to continue to do that. But Matthew, we can't do that without the assistance of medical personnel, great, Christian doctors and nurses that will come along our side and work with us on this significant effort.
Well, Dr. Plyler, I actually signed up for the DART team, and that's awesome. So I am so looking forward to the opportunity of volunteering with you. How can our physicians and healthcare providers here in New York City, how can we volunteer with Samaritan's Purse?
Yep. So, Matthew, I couldn't wait for you to ask that question. So all you have to do is go to our website, SamaritansPurse.org, and right on the top of the front page of our website is it's an icon that you can click onto. It's an appeal for medical professionals to participate in our COVID-19 response.
Great, Dr. Plyler. So colleagues, it is for such a time as this that we're called to be salt and light of this world. For those who are already serving on the front lines, I want to thank you for your effort and your sacrifice. Please know that we here at CMDA, we are praying for you and your family and for your health. If you're not serving on the front lines, we'd like to ask you to consider coming to volunteer here with us at Samaritan's Purse. Please come, serve, and save the lives of New Yorkers in the name of Jesus.